how to make your own custom cartoon characters, so that you can also be a VTuber or pngtuber like these YouTubers. You can create amazing cartoon characters like these, just on your Android phone. Step 1. Download and install the app. I have provided the app's download link in the description and pinned comment, since it is not available on the Play Store. You can also install similar apps from Play Store like these ones. These apps would have similar steps, but you need to figure out how to do so. Step 2. Open the app, and click on the Start button to continue. Select gender. In this case, I am choosing male. Here we go to the main part. Step 3. Customize. Now start designing your character with the options given to change, like hair, skin tone, etc. Let's make an example character. Step 4. Save. Now, click on this button. Tap Save. Your character is now saved in your device. Here are some more characters I've created. Bonus tip, you can create same character with different mouths and create a talking animation like these.
Hi there, I am Emily. Welcome to another episode of Minecraft Let's Play. Here I will give you my house tour.
If you like this video, consider giving a thumbs up to this video. And also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.